Take off flaps.
Rip.
Timer cleared.
Yep. That was a wonky ass takeoff. The fuck? No, it was my fault too.
Flaps up.
We hesitated.
I saw you moving away. Oh
Well,
my god.
I didn't even try to. It just did it on its own. Yep. The hell, it's not turning.
Nice.
Alright, we're on it. That's good.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, no, we were
Close
good.
to your camera so we can really catch
We can see it. Yeah, no, that was good.
Wanna come lower?
Let me see what it's doing. I think I'm out of trim slightly. There we go. Yeah, I am. Okay. We can come lower if you want. I was out of trim, so that's why I was thrown off. There we go.
Oh, but the problem is it blends into the grass.
Yeah.
over there. Maybe not super low. Maybe just a little low.
Like eye level.
Yeah, like eye level. I have to be over the runway a little bit. I'm gonna be at the front of the house.
Okay. Let's do what we're doing. The wind's getting weird through here too. It's like cross.
It is.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
That's what's pushing us. It's pushing the tail.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Slowed down too much.
All right.
You had it perfectly.
It looked, I mean, as far as the way it looked from our vantage point, I think it was all right. Because I snuck ahead of you a little bit.
Yeah. 30 seconds.
Now that one, you're ahead.
Alright, this is fast.
That's enough of the slow shit.
Now the slow bull.
God, that's funny what he said too. I've never seen anybody have as much footage as you guys.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Go.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That was perfect. That was perfect.
That was so good.
I almost want to do that again.
Let's do it. Oh, but you're out of battery now.
No, I'm all right. We've been flying low throttle.
Oh my freaking goodness.
I think we got it.
Oh, dude.
All right, I'm gonna do a fast one down low, just for the fun of it, because we've been on a roll here. Yeah, that's my old pack. That's my doo-doo pack. Actually, they did okay. They're doing okay. It's just, I don't want to push it.
1 minute over. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Dude, those were 3 perfect passes.
And there was fast.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Cool! Dude, look at your brakes, my god. Every time I see that.
You have brakes too.
Landing flaps.
Not that low. That's my flaps.
Yeah, I
Yours are like, look
I
at
have-
yours.
I have a lot.
Way more than
I
that.
have a lot.
But that's also why you land slower. So.
I want to see that video.
You'll see it.
I want to see it. That was